Did you know a lot of compounds designed to remove deeper scratches actually leave their own scratches behind in the process? The problem is both the abrasive technology and the carrying agent. Traditional compounds use rock-like jagged abrasive particles, and they're suspended in an oily residue. And what this does is not only does it scour the paint, leaving scratches you gotta remove from another process, but you also need to remove this oily residue because it contaminates the paints and it'll prevent the ceramic coating from making a proper bond. Another problem with traditional compounds is because they create a lot of heat, you risk burning through the clear coat. To solve this problem, the founder and chemist for Dr. Beasley's, Jim Lefebvre, has created two brand new compound formulas, CoreCut and CoreCut Plus. Instead of using large, jagged-edged abrasives, our CoreCut compounds use multifaceted, engineered microsphere abrasives with a controlled particle size of 1.5 microns. Because our CoreCut compounds use an inorganic nanogel base, there's absolutely zero oily residues that you need to remove off the paint in order for the ceramic coating to make a proper bond. This means you can go right from using our products to applying the ceramic coating. There are two new NSP CoreCut primers. There's CoreCut, which uses a multifaceted abrasive particle at 1.5 microns in size. And this is best for automotive paints, and it will take down to 1,500 grit sanding marks. I like to use CoreCut anytime I'm working on a car that has a lot of deep scratches, swirls, and heavy oxidation. Our other NSP CoreCut primer is the new CoreCut Plus. The CoreCut Plus uses hyper-faceted texture that cuts incredibly fast. It can remove down to 1,200 grit sanding marks and also is very effective at removing deep oxidation on neglected gel coat boats. Here's a few tips for using the new CoreCut products. First, remember that a little bit goes a long way, so you only need to use a little bit of product for any section of paint that you're going to buff. These products have a long working time or buffing cycle. There's zero dust and easy wipe off, so don't be afraid to work them as long as you need until the defects are removed to your satisfaction. The tiny, micron-sized abrasive particles and the cooling nanogel technology as a carrying agent helps to keep the paint from overheating no matter what the tool or the pad you're using. Another key benefit to using our CoreCut products is because they use an inorganic nanogel carrying agent, there's no need to use an IPA wipe down or any kind of panel prep to remove any oil or residues before you put the ceramic coating on. Simply wipe off the residue when you're done buffing, and if you're happy with the results, you go straight to the ceramic coating. Start using CoreCut and CoreCut Plus anytime you've got deeper swirls, scratches, oxidation, and water spots to remove. You'll get faster results with less mess. You can get your bottles of CoreCut and CoreCut Plus by going to drbeasleys.com. If you've ever got any questions, just shoot us an email at myteam@drbeasleys.com or give us a call at 773-404-1600.